So my name is Erika Lauberga Sleze and I am from Liepaja University in Latvia, and I'm the main person who is responsible for the internationalization, so the chief specialist. In order to recruit students, it's very important to get good contacts from the educators, so that those who are basically collecting the students, and the best way it is through such kind of networking events. And so because for Latvia, Vietnam is a very new market, so we are searching for the good reputable representative. And yeah, what is also important, so we get good reviews on your events in Egypt. So yeah, so now we are here. So far all good. It's like everything happens, schedule is full, and there's these Vietnamese agents which we were looking for. So I'm very excited. Let's see. It's like I'm saying it's just first step. So let's see afterwards what will going to happen and what kind of cooperations we'll be able to establish.
Perfect. Thank you very much for joining.
Welcome, welcome.